Welcome to all. Depressions in freezing point. It is denoted by delta TF. First of all, we have to see what is meant by freezing point. Here, point is considered as a temperature. Here, point is considered as a temperature. So, what is meant by freezing point? Freezing point means a temperature of the liquid at which liquid and solid are in equilibrium and both phases have a same vapor pressure is called as a freezing point. Freezing point, once more, it is the temperature of a liquid at which liquid and solid are in equilibrium, means they are coexisted with each other, and at this temperature they have a same vapor pressures, that is both phases have a same vapor pressure, is called as a freezing point. Next point, that is what is the depression. Suppose TF standard is the freezing point of pure, what I say, pure solvent. Pure solventचा freezing point if we denoted by letter TF standard. I already tells that standards is a for solvent. आणि simple TF and simple TF is the freezing point of solution. आता ह्या सॉल्व्हेंट मध्ये आपण नॉन व्होलॅटाइल सोल्यूट, नॉन व्होलॅटाइल सोल्यूट म्हणजे कोणता की जो इझिली ज्याचं इव्हॅपोरेशन होत नाही तो मिक्स केल्यावर त्याचा फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट TF नी दाखवत असेल तर डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ची काय होईल, दॅट इज TF स्टँडर्ड मायनस TF इज द डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट. Depression means to decrease. It is defined as, it is the difference between the freezing point of pure solvent and freezing point of that the solution is called as a depression in freezing point. One more hint I would like to take in front of you, that is delta P. What we taken, that is P1 standard minus PS, that is pressure of solution. Delta TB, elevations in boiling point. TS, that is temperature of solution minus T1 standard. Delta TF, that is depressions in freezing point, is equal to, थोडंसं याचा क्रॉस करा, TF standard minus TM, that is freezing point of solutions. इथं P1 standard minus PS घेतोय, इथं TS minus T1 standard, delta TF is a TF standard minus TM. इथं solvent minus solution, इथं ह्याच्यात थोडंसं रिव्हर्स करा, solution minus solvent, आणि इथं solvent minus solution. आपण लक्षात ठेवताना कॉलिगेटिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी कशी लक्षात ठेवायचं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल lowering in vapor pressures, second elevations in boiling point, and third one is a depressions in freezing point. आणि हे फक्त लक्षात ठेवायचं. P1 स्टँडर्ड मायनस PS, आता रिव्हर्स करा, TS मायनस T1 स्टँडर्ड, आता त्याचा रिव्हर्स TF स्टँडर्ड मायनस TF, फक्त हे या फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट बी बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हे आपल्या इझिली लक्षात राहतं. ओके. S. The relations between depressions in freezing point and concentrations of the solute. Practically, it is proved that delta TF is directly proportional to N. So, remove this proportionality, put the constant delta TF is equal to Km into M. Delta TF is equal to depressions in freezing point. M म्हणजे molality. It is the ways for expressing the concentrations. Kf is a cryoscopic constant. Then Kf, from these equations Kf is equal to delta TF upon N. If M is equal to 1, जर molality आपण 1 molar solutions घेतलं असेल, then Kf is equal to delta TF. This formula also important for the problems and it is important for definitions. This formula is important for the problems. जर समजा आपण 1 मोलार सोल्युशन्स घेतलं, इथं 1 पुट करा, Kf ची किंमत काय होईल? व्हॉट्स द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ Kf? दॅट इज इट इज डेल्टा Tf. दस Kf हा क्रायोस्कोपिक कॉन्स्टंट म्हणतो. लक्षात ठेवा, डिप्रेशन्स इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट किंवा फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट डिटरमाइन करायच्या पद्धती ज्या आहेत त्याला क्रायोस्कोपिक मेथड असं म्हटलं जातं. म्हणून ह्याला क्रायोस्कोपिक कॉन्स्टंट असं बोलायचं. और इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अन मोलार डिप्रेशन्स कॉन्स्टंट. मोलार मीन्स मोलॅलिटी, डिप्रेशन्स मीन्स to decrease, molar depressions constant. Thus Kf is defined as, here I written the definitions. Kf means molar depression constant or cryoscopic constant is defined as depression in freezing point. Depressions in freezing point produced by 1 molar solution. एक मोलार सोल्युशन्स मुळे जो काही डिप्रेशन्स क्रिएट होतो फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट्स मधला, दॅट्स मीन्स ए Kf. Kf is defined as depressions in freezing point produced due to 1 molar solutions. मोलार हा कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन, सोल्यूट किती कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन्स मध्ये प्रेझेंट आहे सोल्युशन मध्ये हे एक्सप्रेस करतो. इथं आपण मोलॅलिटीचं रिलेशन्स देतो, म्हणजेच इनडायरेक्टली आपण काय करतोय, कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ सोल्यूटचं वेग, कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ सोल्यूटचं रिलेशन्स एक्सप्रेस करतोय. ठीक आहे. Okay, today we are going to see what is the relationship between molecular weight of solute and depressions in freezing point. It is from page number 38 Maharashtra book. We know that practically delta Tf is directly proportional to small m. Here small m stands for molality. Small m stands for molality. Delta Tf stands for depressions in freezing point. Delta Tf depressions in freezing point. Then what's next? Delta Tf is equal to Kf into m. Put a proportionality constant. Kf is known as a cryoscopic constant. Delta Tf is equal to Kf as it is. Molality. Molality is, what's the molality formula? We have put here molality formula. N2. N, number of moles of solute. 2 stands for solute. Once again I remind all of you that is 2 stands for solute. आपण 11th मध्ये जो फॉर्म्युला पाहिलेला आहे, that's molality. M is equal to number of moles of solute divided by weight of solvent in kg. हा फॉर्म्युला ठेवला इथं आपण. But what's the N2? Number of moles of formula काय of solute is equal to weight upon molecular weight. Number of moles, weight upon molecular weight. Number of moles, weight upon molecular weight. Number of moles of solute is equal to weight of solute divided by molecular weight of solute. This N2 formula put here. Therefore, this equations become delta Tf is equal to Kf as it is. N2's formula W2 divided by M2. Here I can make the star to this M2 because we want to find out molecular weight of solute. So I make star. M molecular weight 2 solute. M molecular weight 2 solute. It आपण N2 चा फॉर्म्युला ठेवला W2 divided by M2. Denominator as it is W1. Now we got the relationship between depressions in freezing point and molecular weight of solute. They are inversely proportional. Suppose in problem, if the weight of solvent is given in gram, weight W, solvent 1, जर सॉल्व्हंटचा वेट हा ग्रॅम मध्ये दिला असेल तर ग्रॅमचं केजी मध्ये ट्रान्सफर करत असताना 10⁻³ नी मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. Whenever you have to transfer the gram into kg, at that time you have to multiply gram by 10⁻³ weight of solvent W1 जर ग्रॅम मध्ये दिला -3 नी मल्टिप्लाय केला, -3 वर आला 10⁻+3, 10⁻+3 म्हणजे 1000. 10⁻+3 म्हणजे तिथे काय येणार आहे 1000. तर this data is useful for this problem. Means indirectly I would like to tell you that is, if the weight of the solvent is given in the gram, then directly you have to multiply by 1000. But when weight of the solvent is given in the gram, this is the relations between molecular weight of solute and depressions in freezing point.